Now we have decided to set up 6 economic corridors throughout Bengal. We are doing the dedicated freight corridors. We are doing the industrial corridors, including all the areas. The world's second largest coal mines company is coming up, work started. That is in Birbhum district. Deucha Pachmi, the name of the place. And it will give you the new boost up to invest more and more. Now Shell Gas Company is also there on process. We have also given their permission and the land. They asked us only our BGBS meeting 5th and 6th February, and within 7 days we have provided all this. So this Shell Gas, Oil ONGC Company, Eastern Freight Corridor Company, then 72,000 crore is invested. It is Jangal Mahal, we say Jangal Mahal Karma Sundari project, Bengal Silicon Valley for IT sector. IT sector also, you will be happy to know that 2,800 IT sectors companies are working there. Manufacturing, we are number 1. Earlier we were number 1 in manufacturing and engineering. But we lost our glory because of my previous government. But now let us grow up. And that's why now MSME sector we are number 1. Now even big industry sector in India, even in big industry, medium industry sector, according to Government of Information's data, out of 3 states we are number 1. Then regarding skill, if you want to invest if you want to set up the industry, whatever it may be, you need the skilled workers. We have set up about 600 the skill training institutions. It is Polytechnic and the ITI. So there even we are offering the private industry, if they want to take over one skill industry to train their people, speciality, with speciality, multi-super speciality, there also we gave training about 47 lakhs of people. And out of that, 10 lakhs are already employed. And there is a website available. If you need some skilled people also, there also you just touch the website and you can get all the people who are trained in which subject. Now Bengal, the advantage is our standard of living is very moderate. There is no mandates lost in our time. Earlier it was yearly 75,000 mandates lost, but we stopped all this strike, all these mandates lost. The power supply 24/7. Earlier there was a power shortage, now there is nothing. And after Deucha Pachmi, this coal belt is built up, 100 years there will be no power crisis. Even the power will be cheap. Real estate business also, everybody wants to stay in Calcutta because it's a safest city and peace-loving people, they want to stay there. From our country, every caste, every kid, every community, every state, people are living together.